Solana could moonshot. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about Solana because this cryptocurrency has gone through a major corrective movement over the course of the last month, and today, I'm going to be explaining exactly why Solana may be gearing up for a major movement in just the next couple of months. Should we be buying this dip? Well, that is exactly what we will be discussing today, so without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Today's video is brought to you by NordVPN. You see, the reason that NordVPN is such an important component of your security architecture in the cryptocurrency space is because it helps you to stay safe and secure and, most importantly, private while browsing online. NordVPN's state-of-the-art security architecture will keep you safe because it will keep you invisible, so make sure to go to nordvpn.com/Jeb and sign up for a 2-year plan today. Solana has been in a proverbial tailspin ever since March the 16th when it began a 44% drop. To date, Solana sits at roughly $138, falling from its yearly high of $210. That correction pulled Solana well back below its all-time high on market cap that was set on the 31st of March and has led to what many are calling an excellent buying opportunity for Sol. You see, with Solana falling back down from $210 all the way to $125 as a bottom, we have seen Solana retest former resistance that was set on Christmas Day of 2023. That former resistance, now turning into support, also represents the 0.786 Fibonacci level sitting at $133 that is set if you draw Fibonacci retracement over the entire bear market on the logarithmic chart. Furthermore, if you look at Solana on its linear chart, you can see that Solana peaked out at $205.95 here at the 0.786 Fibonacci level before dropping back below the Fibonacci golden pocket at 0.618 to 0.65 and falling back down to the 0.5 level, which currently sits right around $131. Once again, using previous resistance as new support. With Bitcoin having dropped 23% and considering the fact that the Bitcoin bottom around $55,000 may be in soon, this indicates that we may be entering exceptionally good buying territory for Solana. So, should we be investing in this cryptocurrency? Well, a few of our principles of investment are as follows. Number one, we should never invest in something that we don't understand. So unless you've done the research and you know who Anatoly Yakovenko is, and you know what the Rust programming language is, and you know the pros and cons to Solana's model of keeping fees low but block rewards high, meaning that it is inflationary but the fees and the transaction times are able to remain low, unless you understand the cryptocurrency, no, it is not time to invest in it. If you understand the cryptocurrency, and you've already gone through the financial sovereignty way, you are already at the point in time where you understand how to build wealth and you have that experience under your belt, and you have already invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum, then I think Solana is entering into great territory to be investing in right now. To invest in Solana, here's what I want you to do. First of all, create yourself what I call an investment plan. That investment plan is a simple formula that goes a little something like this. Every interval, let's say Friday at 5 p.m., I, if we're single, or we, if we're married, will invest X amount of dollars, so maybe it's $100 every Friday at 5 p.m., into our cryptocurrency portfolio on Crypto.com or Coinbase or whatever cryptocurrency exchange. We define in that cryptocurrency portfolio 2 different categories. Number one, our cash allocation. That is the amount of money from our investment allocation that we will save in a cash account every single week in case we see a major dip, like we're in right now. That should be between 5 and 20% of your investment allocation into investment for wealth generation. I'm not talking about retirement accounts, which hopefully you have already set up. In the cryptocurrency allocation, so between 80 and 95% of the amount of money you put in on every interval, that should be broken out into at least 50% Bitcoin, then some Ethereum, then maybe some Solana and some other cryptocurrencies. If you build out that investment plan and you follow it to the T every single interval, I recommend every single week in cryptocurrency, then you will be in position to dollar cost average into the market. When you reach a certain point and you think, I think this market's going to go to $200. I think it's going to go to $250. I think it's going to go to $300. Then you will flip the equation around, and now you have a divestment plan. Every Friday at 5 p.m. or every Monday at 2 p.m., whatever it may be, we will divest 1% of our cryptocurrency portfolio, in this case Solana, on Coinbase or Crypto.com or whatever other exchange. That is how we will invest into and divest out of Solana. And should we be investing in Solana right now? I think that it will rally significantly higher than it has so far. So I think it is a solid pick. Part of the reason for that is because our original sell signal on Lux Algo gave us a take profit right down here between $120 and $136. Solana has already dropped all the way down into this territory, and and we seemingly have bottomed out. On top of that, you can see that the bears have started to lose their momentum here on the Crypto Jeb Oscillator, and they are starting to gradually lose strength, indicating that we may be able to see a uptrend forming soon. Here on the Crypto Jeb Oscillator also, you can see this blue section right here indicating that bullish strength may be coming in over the next few days, so there's quite a lot to look forward to. Overall, now is a great time to begin dollar cost averaging into Solana, or potentially even deploying some of that cash account that we've already talked about. Of course, whether or not you invest in any cryptocurrency asset is number one, risky, but number two, it is your decision, so please make sure to think carefully and always be sovereign over your own choices, even though you may be taught of others, and ensure that you're always investing responsibly with money that you are able to lose. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. That's going to wrap it out for today. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, but before we go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.